Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the ShippingEasy customer marketing tool to keep in touch with your customers with emails about the latest pop-ups, sales, and promotions. I'm going to show you how to set up automatic emails, which send to customers when they meet certain conditions, and how to send regular campaigns, which are like newsletters that you can see open rates and statistics about. It's easier than you think, so let's get started. One thing to keep in mind is ShippingEasy saves your customer information, including emails, when you receive an order, and it's available in your personal contacts list. If you want to add more of your customers or prospects, check out the video that covers importing contacts. For the campaigns, I'll start with automated emails. Hover over marketing on the blue bar at the top and select Email Campaigns. Click Create Campaign in the top left. Select Automated, and you'll see a list of campaign types. The most popular campaigns created by LuLaRoe consultants are the order confirmation and first-time buyer emails, but any template is available for you to use. These two types of emails help to build relationships with your customers, but you can check out the revenue generating with coupons. Let's set up the first-time buyer email together. Most of our emails have special pre-made LuLaRoe templates set up, so I'll choose that one here. You can customize this email if you like, but the main thing you should make sure to do is edit this Facebook button to include your actual Facebook URL. Just click on the button, then add your URL here. You can also add your own images and update the text as needed. Check out the video notes for a video link that walks you through all of the template editor features. Once you're done, click Save and Continue in the top left. There shouldn't be much you need to change in the audience page. This page determines who gets the email and when. Since this is the first-time buyer email, it will be sent as soon as we download an order from someone who has never purchased from you before. Click Review Campaign for the final step. On this last step, adjust the reply to email and the subject line to match what you want for your store. The more personal, the better. Once you're done, click Activate Campaign. Then Activate to confirm, and there you go. The campaign page now tracks how many times the email has been sent. And since you put your Facebook link in there, you can track how many people this is sending to your LuLaRoe Facebook page. So easy. Now let's go back and make a regular campaign together to see how easy that is. Hover over Marketing again and click Email Campaigns. Click Create Campaign, but this time select Regular. This campaign will need a name, so let's call it Flash Sale. This drops us right into the templates. We have a full library of templates for every occasion, including a special section for LuLaRoe. Just click LuLaRoe on the left side here, and boom! Aren't they beautiful? I bet you can guess which one I'm going to select, the Flash Sale. The next step brings us back into the template editor. We're going to make the same kind of changes we made for the automated campaign. First, click the button and add the URL for your flash sale. Then click the social media button and add your URLs. You can delete existing ones or add new ones simply by clicking the icon below. Once you're done, click Save and Continue. On the audience step, we determine to whom we're sending this email. If you have an existing contact list, you can click that, but you likely do not, so let's create a new list. If you want to reach people that have already purchased from you, you can click Select from a list of customers for your list of customers we've already seen come through. But the easiest thing to do is just copy and paste the email addresses that you have for contacts. Click Paste in Emails and paste your emails here. Then put the name of the list in this field. Click Create List, then click Add Customers. This will take you back to your contacts page. Just click Return to your campaign at the top. You'll see your new list here. Just click it and it takes you to the final step. We've been here before. Just update the reply to email, the from display name, and the subject line. Then if you want to schedule it for a specific time, you can adjust the radio button here. But when you send it, you get the same metrics we saw in the automated campaign. So there you go. A quick and easy setup for ShippingEasy's customer marketing tool. If you want a more in-depth look, check out our Customer Marketing Setup playlist to learn more about customizing emails and building lists. Thanks for watching, everyone.